Hello, and good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, the 21st day of July, 2026. This is what we were looking at yesterday. Yesterday, we were looking for potential sales below this level, potential sales here. We never got a candle breaking below and closing below our level here, so we never got a confirmation for a sell. For the buys, we were looking for buys above this level here. You can see this alert. I set my alerts here. We were looking for buys above this level here. The first candle came wicked, the second one wicked above, third one wicked above also. Then this morning at around this early morning, 30 minutes. This morning, we had these candles trying to break above. You can see these wicks. They were not able to break above. Then we had this push up, this candle that came and closed above our level. This one here pushed up all the way here, hitting our TP1, closed above our level here. But we've not had a retest of this level here, so I didn't get an entry. So yesterday was a no trade day. I didn't take a trade on gold, and that's how it went. That's how you don't force trades. You don't enter for trades without confirmation, and you don't force trades. Let price give you the entries. Okay, let price come to your level and give you the entries. If you start forcing, that's how you lose money. Because if you had forced here and placed a buy stop limit, you see what would have happened. You'd have been activated, then price immediately pulled back, hitting your stop loss because there's no way you're gonna place a buy stop limit here and have your stop loss all the way down here. These are very on gold. There's a lot. There's a lot. This is more than 200 pips, I believe. Let's see. Yep, that's 300 pips, 328 pips. There's no way you're gonna have a stop loss that big on gold unless you are looking to just blow your account. Okay, so let's look at what we have today. And today, first we begin with looking at the fundamentals. I know we had done a fundamental outlook for the week, but it's good to just check. So today's Tuesday. Nothing high impact on the USD. We only had the New Zealand dollar CPI and the GBP. We had claim and change at 9 a.m. That's coming up in the next 38 minutes. Okay, so nothing high impact on the USD. On the breaking news, this is what we have on the breaking news. Nothing on US and Iran. So just keep an eye out for any breaking news regarding the war, the Strait of Hormuz, anything that could cause volatility and spikes in price in the market. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's dig into the charts and do our analysis for the day. So we begin by removing everything and doing a fresh analysis. We always do a fresh analysis in the morning because the market is dynamic. The market keeps changing. Okay, so we start by identifying our levels of support and resistance. We have our resistance there. We have our support down here. Don't know why this alert is delete. Why is it not deleting? Delete. For some reason, it's just stuck there. Okay, let's move on. Uh, that's our support resistance. We are on the weekly. On the weekly, we are looking at that support there. Resistance there. Support is still down here. On the daily, we are focusing on there was this break here. Then we had this push here, trying to push above. It does not broken above. So these are our most immediate support, resistance. I mean, the support is still down here. Our support is still down here on the daily. So we'll move down to 4 hours. If it breaks above this support here, then the next, if it breaks above this resistance here, then the next support, the next resistance that price is gonna face will be this one here. So, but first, we need to see a break above this, yeah, this support here, this resistance here. But let's just mark this. Okay. On 4 hours, is what we have. On 4 hours, we have this. This is what you are looking at on 4 hours. So on 4 hours, we had this break here. Wait, just a minute. We had this break here. Then we had a shift, market shift. Then after the shift, the market has not broken any structure. Break, shift, the market has not broken any structure yet. So we are still within this range here and this range here. Sure. So on 4 hours, this is what we had. We had this break here on 4 hours. We had a break of structure there. Then the market gave us a shift here. Market gave us a shift there. So this is our 4-hour resistance. And this is our 4-hour support down here. So on 4 hours, we do like we always do. And on 4 hours, bring this to the body there. I'm gonna do that. Then identify this level here as a target. On the lower side, we do the same. On the lower side, you're gonna do the same. Bring that one to the bodies there. To the bodies there. Then identify this, the lowest wick, this one here as a target. So these are 4-hour range. On the 4 hours, you're operating within this range, but we have had some internal structures here. There was this break here, then there was another break here. These are just internal structures on 4 hours. So our main focus will be this main structure here. This was after the break, then the shift. We had this low here, and we had this high here. Price has neither broken above above this high, nor has it broken below this low. So this is the range we are operating within. So all this here, uh, you can say it's just consolidation. But on the lower time frame, you'll see the market is has been selling here. The market has been bearish. This leg, this is a bearish leg of the market. But on higher time frame, this is just consolidation because we have not broken above and we have not broken below. Okay, so jump down to 1 hour. Now on 1 hour, on 1 hour we had this break. We had this break of structure here. Then we had a shift. The market shifted. After the shift, we had another break here. Let me just mark out this for you. We had a break, then the market shifted here. Then we had another break here. We had a break of structure there. Then we had another break here. Once this price broke above here, you can see this break of structure here. We had another break here. Not what I was looking for. We've had this break here. So now our low is here. This is our 1 hour low. This is our 1 hour low and our 1 hour high. Since we can't mark the active candle, we're gonna look left, and our 1 hour high should be here. This is our 1 hour high. This is the next resistance that we are looking at because of this break here. Once you got this break here, this is the next resistance on 1 hour. So this is a 1 hour high, or we could, yeah, this is a 1 hour high, this is a 1 hour low, because this candle is still active. This 8 a.m. candle still active. But before the 8 a.m. candle, if we were to look back before 8 a.m., our 1 hour resistance was here. That was our 1 hour resistance. Okay, so yeah, let's use this one because this candle is still active. We're going to use this one. And on 30 minutes, jump down to 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, this is what you're looking at. We had our, is the 8 a.m. candle, the candle that just closed at 8:30. We had this candle here. So this was a resistance, and our support, our 30-minute support was down here. Down here. Why, you may ask? Because we had this break of structure here. Once we had this break of structure here, this was a break of structure. Our support is down here, and the resistance is up here. But now we are broken above the resistance, and this is what this is the trade I would have taken here. Still would take this. So move that one there. Identify, yes, identify that wick there. Potential sales above, potential buys above. Sorry, potential buys above, and then move this one here and identify this one as potential sales below. But then here we have this level here. On 15 minutes you're gonna see that, yes, we have this level here. So here I would identify this one here as an aggressive sell here. High risk sells, high risk sells below. So this looks like a good trade to take. This one here. If you take this long position here, retest on that level and push the market up to, let's see, 4 hours. We have that height here and the other one there, and then we have this one here before we get here. So yes, so this one I'll push it to this level here or up to this level here. For the sales, if we get a sell below this level here, we push it to level there. A stop loss that big would be insane. So if we get a retest of this level here, I'm taking the market and pushing it up to this level here. Yeah. I just need price to retest this level here, and I'm in, taking the market up. So, like I always say, trade what you see, not what you think, and risk management is key. Always manage your risk. Don't put your capital at risk, unnecessary risk. Remember to last longer in this game. Capital preservation is key. If you want to last longer in this game, you have to learn to protect your capital. It's always easier to find new entries than it is to raise new capital once you've blown your account. So this is a trade I'll be looking to take today. If you get some good pressures, you could push up to these levels here. But for me, this would be enough for me. Okay, so happy hunting, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for a recap on the same. Hope today catch a move and make some money. Okay, so I'm out. Ciao.